Hi, I'm Max Mishakov, and today I want to talk more about belting, about how to add more chest to your head dominant mix. Many people ask me, what can I do? I want to add more chest, but I can't do that. I can sing in my high voice, in my head dominant mix. It's loud enough, but it's very heady. How can I add more chest? In this video, I'm going to sum up what I have told you in my previous videos. The link in the description below. I want to sum up everything. So the first thing you have to know is to add more chest, you need to kind of yell in the same position of your head dominant mix. It feels like yelling, but in this right position. But there are three things or more, I would say three main things that may prevent you from doing this. The first thing is high larynx. And it's not usually a problem. I would say you will be able to sing high with power, even with your high larynx. It just makes the sound less nice. Watch my video about larynx, about how to lower the larynx. And there is one more approach how to lower the larynx. Just pretend that you're a little bit crying while singing. Little bit of cry, like this. Little bit lowers your larynx. But again, too high larynx is not always a problem that doesn't let you sing with more chest. So we're getting to two things that are most likely don't let you sing high with power, with chest. And the first thing is too high soft palate. What do I mean by that? When we talk, our soft palate is in the middle position. Some of the sound resonates in the nasal cavity, some of the sound resonates in the mouth. And the air also can go to the nasal cavity and to the mouth, because our soft palate is in the middle. And that's when we talk. But when we sing high, we tend to raise our soft palate too much. And it sounds like this. But then, like this. Hey! It closes the nasal cavity too much. And it closes the resonance. It deletes all the resonance that we need for the high notes. And that's why our high notes become dumb. And we sound like this. Hey! So very often this problem occurs. How to solve it? I have one approach for you. There are even four positions of our soft palate. Closed, I mean when we sing in the NG sound or M or in this position, the air goes only into your nose. It's closed. The next position is half open, aka nasal. So when we talk like this, the cavity is half open, and our mouth is half open, and the most of the air and the resonance goes to the nasal cavity. And we talk nasal. So this is the second position. Nasal position, half open position. The third position is normal when the soft palate is in the same position as when we talk. And the last position is too high soft palate. It sounds like this, the same as we're sick. For example, we're sick and we sound like this. So what happens to many people? Many people may sing in the NG sound like but when they try to open the vowel sound and say ah, they raise the soft palate too much and they start sounding like this. So how to solve it? Open the position gradually, step by step, and only in this order. First, closed position and G sound, then half open, and only then normal position. Because if you skip your nasal position, if you skip your half open position, you will go directly to this high soft palate position like this. If you skip your nasal position when it's half open like this, you will go directly to the very high soft palate. So do this in this order. If you have this problem, you sing this, for example, this note. Open, closed, and then half open, and then normal. If you try to open it just straight to a sound, you will end up like this. So my solution is open it gradually. First your closed position, then your half open nasal position, and only then your normal position, like this. That's the key. And the third reason of your problems with adding chest may be the lack of air pressure, the lack of air support. Many people they're very lazy in their breath support. They're trying to not work with their lungs too much, and they just don't work. So how to solve it? 2 exercises, again, from my video in the description. The first exercise, the bike. In this way, you will understand how to add chest. The next thing, the mosquito exercise, like sorry. If it doesn't help you, you may just trigger those feelings with just sitting while you sing. So you stand up, and when you hit the high notes, you need just to little bit sit down, like. This will trigger your breath support muscles, rib cage muscles. So thank you for watching. Write your questions.